Okay, so while we are at it, what we're going to do is check the compression. So all it takes is that's like 20 quid on eBay. 2 spark plugs per cylinder, so I need to, you don't want the engine to start when you're doing that. That one. Okay. Yeah, and that was all 4 boots. Okay, that plug went out without tools. It's a bit concerning. It's actually not too bad at all. This one is not bad at all either. That's a good sign. Okay, so eBay £20 kit. And what you do is you just you change the adapter to put one that has the same size as the plug. Okay, and we are going to try to put you guys where you can actually see it, and then the idea is you just, with full throttle on, so that's 135, which is not too bad at all considering it's cold and the oil is completely down. It's been stored for several days now. And we're going to do the same thing on the other one. Let's see what the rear has got to say. Full throttle. Just above 150 rear. That's really good. So here we have it. We know for a fact that this engine is solid and it is worth actually all of them. 135 back, 150 psi front on a bike that has 75,000 miles is actually really good. Knowing that it starts on the button, that right now when we did the test it was absolutely completely cold with the oil down for several days. Really pleased with that. So on we go, doing it all completely. We're gonna have a really good tour with that.
Okay guys, that's it for today. More to come very soon, and in between, don't forget, on the road, behave like grown-ups, stay safe. See you soon.